Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be mixing our own organic black soup. Now there are a lot of black soups in the market. Everybody now is selling, formulating their own black soup, and the funny thing is that there are no regulators in the market to regulate these products, so you don't even know which products are actually good on your body, good on your skin, or even healthy to you in general. And remember that the skin is also an organ of the body. It is the largest organ of the body. Anything that you rub on your skin can be harmful to your internal organs like your kidney and your liver, so you really need to be careful the kind of ingredients that you put on your skin. The very obvious thing that black soap, organic black soap in quotes, that are not healthy or good can do to your skin is to cause sunburn. So I recommend that you make or formulate your own recipes that are good for you and are 100% organic. Now these black soups are originally gotten from palm kernel fruits, plantain peels, and all that good ingredients. So for this mixture we're going to be needing our gram flour, which is gotten from the chickpeas powder, rose water, turmeric powder, rice powder, palm kernel oil, orange peel powder, raw honey, organic honey, lemon juice, cucumber juice, which is gotten from our very own cucumber, and our star of the show today is the black soap. Now this black soap, mine comes in granules. I bought this for 450 naira a mudu, which is, I'll convert it to dollar, but I bought it for 450 naira a mudu. And you can also use the ones that come in bars, just like I showed you earlier in the video. But we're going to be measuring now 1.5 cup of, that's 1.5 cup of this black soup. I intend to use this for about 2 weeks, but this is my third week and I'm still using it. So we're going to be adding our ground flour, and we're going to be adding orange peel powder. All of the quantities are going to be written on the screen, already on the screen, so just follow that recipe. We're going to be adding turmeric powder, and we're going to be adding rice powder. We're going to be adding oils. We're going to be adding carrot oil. I made this carrot oil from olive oil, so that's a combination of carrot oil and olive oil. We're going to be adding palm kernel oil. This is organic palm kernel oil. It's a little bit congealed. I think it congeals at room temperature, but we're going to be adding palm kernel oil, and then we're going to be adding organic honey. This honey is going to be moisturizing to your skin and very, very tender to your skin, and we're going to mix these ingredients together. So this is the point. If you don't already have this type of black soap, if yours comes in a bar, you're just going to have to dissolve your soap with a little bit of water overnight, in warm water overnight, and then before you start this entire process, we're going to be adding our cucumber juice and our lemon juice. Now the idea of lemon juice is to help, apart from skin lightening. I'm going to be adding very little quantity because this is supposed to be a day soup, so that it doesn't react to the sun, but the idea is for it to also serve as a preservative to prevent your soap from spoiling. And then I also stuck with very dry ingredients rather than using wet ingredients. This is also going to reduce and extend the duration that this soap should last in your should last. Also going to be adding our rose water. I use rose water as against using regular water because I'm trying to prevent the soap from being too watery. So all of these ingredients do not have water. It's just going to be the pure raw juices from my cucumber and my lemon, and then the rose water. Once you finish adding all of these ingredients, we're just going to mix together until you feel that there are no lumps in the soap anymore. And then once we're done mixing, we're just going to scoop this and put in a clean container. Now the gram flour is wonderful when it comes to preventing suntan. That's the same thing with the carrot oil, and then the function of the cucumber juice. That cucumber juice is also good when it comes to skin lightening. Now all of these ingredients, the rice powder too also works as a skin lightening ingredient. All of these ingredients would work together to help to bring out your real skin texture, especially I make soaps for those in the tropical part of the world, and imagine if you're not in the tropical part of the world. So this is going to bring out your skin in a very beautiful way, which would help to make you look, beautiful. Anyways, so we're just going to scoop this soap in a container, and our black soap is ready. Now this soap is recommended for adults. I'm going to make a children recipe as well, and once you are done scooping it into a container, you're just going to leave it to sit for 1 week before you start to use. This is just going to prevent rashes and other things from happening to your skin. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.